So there are many health tips out there, some that you know about, some that you may not know about. And this video, I'm gonna take 5 of those health tips and explain each of them to you. My name is Zenas and you're welcome to Health Spotlight. Stay tuned. Some people forget to eat. Some people forget to take their medication. Some even forget to visit the hospital on a doctor's appointment. Now, this is a very bad attitude because you are putting yourself in harm's way and making things difficult for your healthcare provider. If you are a student and you are learning and you feel tired, you need to take a break. If you are a worker and you are working and you feel tired, you need to take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Always wash your hands before and after eating. Now, when you eat without washing your hands, there are microorganisms on your hand already. So when you eat without washing your hands, these microorganisms enter your body and cause diseases and make you fall sick. That is why it's important that you should wash your hands before eating. So let's go to the after. So somebody will ask me, why should you wash your hands after eating? So imagine you are done eating and you move to your work desk or where you're going to learn or study or do your office work, and you realize that you just salt where you're working with oil or paper or food particles. It isn't the best and you feel very angry. So that is why I'm going to say that always wash your hands with soap and water. I'm really stressing on this point because it is very important that you wash your hands with soap and water before and after eating. Always get a regular medical checkup. Once in a while, you need to visit the hospital and see a doctor, for the doctor to examine you and see whether your body is okay and you are not ill. So in medicine, we call this preventive care or preventive medicine. It helps doctors to catch certain disease early. So imagine you go to the hospital on a regular medical checkup and the doctor sees that you have gotten stage 1 cancer. He caught it early and then he's able to treat it and then give you diagnosis. Then you will go later and it will reach stage 4 where it cannot be treated. So I urge you all to always go on regular medical checkup. Drink lots of water. As we all know, water is part of the body nutrients. Well, if you don't know, I'm telling you now that water is actually part of the body nutrient. Now it's important that we take lots of water every day because water performs so many functions in the body. 1, it regulates the body's temperature, it aids in digestion and so much more. So basically just taking lots of water each and every day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I'm sure we've heard this proverb since we were kids, that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now the apple you see there represents all fruits and the doctor you see represents a hospital. So basically or technically it means that taking a lot of fruits will prevent you from visiting the hospital and paying so much money on bills. So we all know that fruits are very necessary in our diet. Example, let's take a look at our citrus fruits. That gives us vitamin C, which is very good for the body. So I'll urge you all to take in a lot of fruits or take in one fruit one day to help your body. Just like I said, I'm gonna give you 5 tips. So the first tip is always make your health your priority. Number 2, wash your hands before and after eating. Number 3, always go for a regular medical checkup. Number 4, drink lots of water every day. And then number 5, an apple a day will keep the doctor away. So I want all of you to tell me in the comment section if you can do these daily health tips or you're going to have some difficulty. See it in the comment section and I'll respond to each and every one of it. So I'd like to thank all those who liked, commented and shared my previous video. Thank you all so much. If you're new here, you are welcome to my channel. I do videos like this and also we talk about trending health topics. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a video. In the meantime, I will urge you all to stay at home and stay safe. See you all next time.